In the vast realm of gardening, where secrets and tips abound, one humble household item stands out as a versatile and often underestimated ally: vinegar. Beyond its culinary uses and cleaning prowess, vinegar possesses a range of benefits that can revolutionize your garden. In this exploration, we unravel the potential of using vinegar in your garden and witness the remarkable transformations it can bring to your green haven. Weed warfare. Vinegar emerges as a formidable weapon in the battle against weeds. The acetic acid in vinegar acts as a natural herbicide, effectively killing unwanted vegetation. For a homemade weed killer, mix white vinegar with water and a dash of dish soap. This simple concoction can be sprayed on weeds, disrupting their growth and minimizing the need for chemical herbicides that can harm your garden's ecosystem. Balancing act. Maintaining the right pH balance in your soil is paramount for the health of your plants. Vinegar, with its acidic properties, can be used to lower the soil pH if it becomes too alkaline. This is particularly beneficial for acid-loving plants such as azaleas and rhododendrons. However, it's essential to use vinegar judiciously and test the soil pH regularly to avoid over-acidification. Fertilizing boost. Vinegar isn't just a weed killer, it's also a gentle fertilizer. Diluted apple cider vinegar, when applied sparingly, can provide a nutrient boost to your plants. The potassium in vinegar promotes flower and fruit development, contributing to overall plant vigor. However, moderation is key, as excessive use can disrupt the soil balance. Pest deterrent. Warding off pests is a perpetual challenge for gardeners, and vinegar can play a role in this ongoing battle. A solution of vinegar and water can be sprayed on plants to deter common pests like aphids and ants. The pungent odor and taste act as a natural repellent, keeping your garden free from unwanted visitors. Sparkling plant leaves. Dust and pollutants can accumulate on plant leaves, hindering their ability to photosynthesize. A mixture of water and vinegar can be used to clean and revitalize foliage, leaving your plants looking refreshed and vibrant. This simple solution can also help prevent the growth of mold and mildew on leaves. Cleaner garden tools. The benefits of vinegar extend beyond plant care to the upkeep of your gardening tools. Soaking tools in a vinegar solution helps remove rust and grime, ensuring they remain in top condition. This simple practice not only prolongs the life of your equipment, but also contributes to the overall cleanliness of your gardening space. Fruit fly trap. Vinegar's enticing aroma can be used strategically to trap fruit flies. Place a bowl of vinegar with a few drops of dish soap near your fruit trees or vegetable garden. The flies are attracted to the vinegar, but get caught in the soapy solution, providing an effective and chemical-free solution to this common nuisance. As we journey through the diverse landscape of gardening tips and tricks, vinegar emerges as a versatile and cost-effective companion. From weed control to pH balancing, pest management, and beyond, the applications of vinegar in the garden are as varied as the plants it nurtures. By incorporating this household staple into your gardening arsenal, you not only embrace a natural and eco-friendly approach, but also witness the transformative power of vinegar in cultivating a thriving and resilient green haven.